This 2023 Forest River Salem Cruise Lite 19DBXLX is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Greencastle, Pennsylvania, 17225 and is offered for sale by Keystone RV MEGA Center. This new Forest River is 24 feet 8 inches in length and features a MALIBU interior, sleeps 8, Colorado Detector, air conditioning, water heater, LP detector, stove top burner, microwave, oven, auxiliary battery, awning, refrigerator, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, mid-kitchen, Murphy bed, outdoor kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Forest River Salem Cruise Lite 19DBXLX is 4,483 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Keystone RV MEGA Center, visit RVUSA.com.